Welcome to the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 unboxing and review. The box comes in with simple packaging, and let's unbox this device and check what we get inside of the box. First, we get the smartphone itself, and then we get this section, and of course in this section we have the SIM ejecting tool. And then we have the silicone case. Nowadays silicone cases are coming with almost every smartphone. Then we have the Huawei warranty card, and then we have the quick start guide. We also get the Type-C charging cable, the 10-watt charging adapter. Huawei Y9 Prime does not support fast charging, and then this cheap looking hands-free. Time to unwrap this beauty, and while the phone is booting up, let's take a quick overview of the smartphone. We get the speaker grill, Type-C charging port, main microphone and the headphone port on the bottom, and then we get the power button and the volume rockers on the right hand side. We have the pop-up camera and the SIM tray on the top of the device. In front we have the 16MP pop-up camera. On the back of the device we have triple rear camera, the 16MP wide camera with f1.8 aperture, the 8MP ultra wide and the 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The Y9 Prime has plastic body, and whenever the light hits the back, it looks amazing. There are two color options, emerald green and sapphire blue. Whenever the light hits the back, it produces the shining effect, and of course, it looks stunning. The Y9 Prime is 8.8mm thick and comes in at 196.8 gram. You can easily notice that Y9 Prime is thicker than the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Well, Redmi Note 7 Pro also a lightweight device and comes in at 186 gram. Y9 Prime is easy to use with only one hand because of its solid grip and the perfect curved back. We found it quite comfortable to use this device with using only one hand. It is really hard to keep the back of the phone free from fingerprints. Huawei Y9 Prime features 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display and uses an IPS panel with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. There is no extra protection on screen like Corning Gorilla Glass. As Corning Gorilla Glass is necessary on a smartphone, we have seen many mid-range smartphones with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The Y9 Prime has three cameras on back, which consist of a primary 16MP camera with an f1.8 aperture, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. There is 16MP front camera which is hidden in a pop-up mechanism. In case of accidental drop, the pop-up camera mechanism is smart enough to pull back the camera before it hits the ground. Huawei also claimed that the pop-up camera can bear the weight of 15 kg. That is really amazing. To be honest, I'm not really impressed by the photos taken by the Y9 Prime. The photos taken by both the cameras are filled by too much beauty or too much exposure that almost destroy the whole image. But you can play with editing options to adjust light and exposure as per your need. Talking about the wide camera, it's not too much impressive as I was expecting. So I'm shooting this video with the front 16MP pop-up camera of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 and using the built-in microphone. So tell me in the comment section below about the video quality and the audio quality as well. I will post photos on my Instagram taken by the Y9 Prime, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Night mode is not good enough, but I think in this price range, Huawei provide a lot of things. Huawei Y9 Prime is powered by Kirin 710F chipset with an octa-core CPU, clocked at up to 2.2 GHz and Mali G51MP4 as the graphics chip. There are two storage options. The first one is the 64GB paired with 4GB of RAM, and the another one is the 128GB paired with 4GB of RAM. You can also increase the storage by using the microSD card up to 512GB. The smartphone is running on an Android 9.0 Pie with Huawei's EMUI 9. Additionally, it comes with GPU Turbo 3.0 to enhance the gaming performance on the phone. I haven't spent much time with this phone, but I hope this phone will not disappoint me. As I played some games including Asphalt 8 and some other games, I didn't find any kind of lag. It is 4000 mAh of battery, but sadly, it does not support fast charging. Overall, this phone is amazing. Its bezel-less display and the decent performance make this device amazing, and I think because of these two features, I stuck with this device. Its amazing curved back allowed to hold this phone with perfect grip. Huawei worked hard on this phone, but the thing that disappointed me are the cameras. For camera, as I told that it adds too much beauty, so for camera I'm not completely satisfied. Well, for the fingerprint, I didn't find any kind of disturbance, but for the first time when I was registering my finger, why the scanner was providing the error, but every time I unlock my device, it is pretty smooth and amazing. Thank you so much for watching guys, my name is Hamza, this is Advanced Unboxer, and I'll catch you in the next one.